The French government has expressed its readiness to support Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria MAAUN with French language teachers. Mr. Sebastian Bidi, Science and Higher Education Attaché at the French Embassy, gave the assurance when he visited the university campus in Kano on Thursday, 15th December 2022. He said the French Embassy would also support the university to send lecturers and students to study in France under a short-term or long-term program. The main topic is about mobility. How can we support the students and lecturers to teach French? We shall also help students to go and study in France. The study could be for a short-term program or for a long-term program, like 1 year for a master's degree. Lecturers could be trained for short-term programs and long-term programs in France. Learning French is the main objective because it will give the students the opportunity to graduate as bilinguals because it's a big advantage, the official said. He also stressed the need for the university to collaborate with other universities in France, especially with engineering schools, medicine schools, and other areas of possible partnership. On the request for 5 French teachers, the official said as soon as he returns to Abuja, he would start discussing with his colleagues on the possibility of meeting the demand. Earlier, the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, told the visiting French embassy official that the university requires 5 French lecturers to adequately cover the number of periods the students are being taught French in the university. Professor Gorzo, who promised to provide accommodation and other logistics to the lecturers, urged the embassy to give the request the urgent attention it deserves, saying the presence of the lecturers will give the French good image in MAAUN. Among the top management staff of the university that received the French officials include President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice President Administration MAAUN Maradi, Dr. Shuaib Butanku, and AG Director, Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Noura Iyaru, among others.